This puzzle is about an island in which certain inhabitants called knights always tell the truth and others called knaves always lie. It is assumed that every inhabitant of the island is either a knight or a knave. The goal is to determine who is a knight or knave. Three of the inhabitants, A, B, and C, were standing together on the lawn. A stranger passed by and asked A, "How many knights are among you?" A replied, but the stranger didn't understand him. Then he asked B, "What did A say?" The answer of B was, "A said that there is one knight among us." At the same time, C added, "Don't believe B, she is lying." The question in the problem is, what are B and C? At this point, I recommend to stop watching the video, try to solve the problem by yourself, and then return to the video and I will show my solution. The general way to solve such a problem is to select a person and make an assumption that this person is, for example, a knight. Then, using this assumption, we can find a solution and decide whether this solution is in contradiction with what is given in the problem or not. If there is a contradiction, our solution is incorrect. If there is no contradiction, we have found one of the possible solutions. To simplify the solution, we introduce a table where first we list inhabitants A, B, and C, and then we will keep track of our assumptions. Let's first assume that inhabitant C is a knave, so this statement is false. The statement tells us inhabitant B is lying. Because it is false, it means that B is knight, so the statement, this one, is true. And it means that A said that there is one knight among us. Let's assume that A is knight, so this statement is correct. But in this case, it is in contradiction with what is given because we have here two knights, and this statement says that there is only one knight. So this solution is impossible. We return to this point and assume that A is knave. So the statement of A is false, and I remind you that A said that there is one knight among us, so it is false. It means that there are 0, 2, or 3 knights among these people. Anyway, each of them that statements is incorrect because there is only one knight here. So this solution is also impossible. Now we will make an assumption that C is a knight. So this statement is correct. B is knave, and the statement of B is incorrect. It means that A said that there is not one knight among us. Not one means that there is 0, 2, or 3 knights. Let's suppose that A is knave. So the statement of A is incorrect, and I remind you the statement is not 1. And opposite statement is 1. And it coincides with what we have. Indeed, we have one knight, so this solution is possible. If A is knight, then the statement of A is correct. Not one knight among us is correct statement, and indeed we have two knights, so this solution is also possible. The problem is solved completely, B is knave, and C is knight. If you have a different answer, or if you have different solution with the same answer, please leave a comment and I will reply later. If you like this video, you may want to click like icon, leave a comment and subscribe for the channel.